and just put alcohol in the orange peel, and you'll never have that problem again. To start this tip, we will need a container just like this one. I'll put some orange peels in it. Here I am using the amount equivalent to 2 oranges. Do it at your house, and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. After I learned to do I never again had problems with insects or bad odors in my house. I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for having taught you. Now I'll add 150 milliliters of alcohol. Mixing alcohol with orange peel will result in a much more efficient sanitizing product than those sold in conventional markets. Now I'll put 50 milliliters of vinegar in the container. I doubt you've ever made a more efficient product than this before. Even I was surprised when I first did it. I'll also add 100 milliliters of detergent. Even your friends will begin to ask you, what is the secret to keeping the house so clean and fragrant? And all this using only a few everyday ingredients. Finally, just fill the rest with a little water. Now just cover the container, and using your hands, mix all the ingredients very well. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Henry from New Jersey. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. After mixing everything, I will let our mixture rest for 48 hours. After this time, we can already use our mixture to perform home hygiene. I never again had to spend money on those expensive cleaning products sold in the markets. We'll transfer everything into a spray bottle. Here I am using a funnel to prevent our mixture from falling out of the container. The result is almost immediate. Just give a few sprays to end any bad smell in any environment. I'm sure you won't regret trying it. I make this product myself almost every week in my home. Here I am applying in an external environment to avoid the presence of unwanted insects. Never again will you need to worry about cockroaches or ants, because only this mixture is enough to scare them away. You can also put on the entrance mat so that everyone can notice the good aroma of your home. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.